is for airplane flying up high. B is for butterfly floating in the sky. C is for car zooming so fast. D is for drum, let's give it a blast. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for frog, hopping so small. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. H is for helicopter spinning in the sky. I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jellyfish, floating so light. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for ladder, climbing to the sky. M is for moon, glowing so bright. N is for nest, where birds sleep at night. O is for octopus, swimming so free. P is for pencil, write with me. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rocket, blasting all around. S is for star, twinkling so bright. T is for tiger with stripes, black and white. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for X-ray, look inside of me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zebra, running so fast. Now we've learned our A to Z. Sing again, dance with me.